Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best backpack vacuum cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for budget options or high-end models, we've got you covered. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Hoover Commercial PORTAPOWER Lightweight Canister Vacuum Cleaner. This is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on functionality. Weighing only 8 pounds, this vacuum is incredibly portable and versatile. It comes with an accessory pack that includes a shoulder strap, extension wands, and multiple nozzles, making it ideal for both above-floor and tight space cleaning. Plus, the built-in blower adds extra utility for tasks like clearing dust and debris from hard-to-reach areas. The design is simple yet effective for users who prefer a lightweight vacuum with a corded setup. While it may not include advanced HEPA filtration, the cloth filter system does a decent job of capturing dust and fine particles. Its 120-volt motor ensures steady performance for everyday cleaning tasks. However, it's worth noting that being corded and handheld means you might find it less convenient for larger spaces or extended cleaning sessions. Overall, the PORTAPOWER is a great entry-level choice for those who need a lightweight portable vacuum for light commercial or residential cleaning. It's not as feature-packed as the others on this list, but for $129.99, it delivers excellent value for small cleaning jobs. Pros include its affordability, portability, and built-in blower, while its lack of HEPA filtration and limited power may be cons for some users. Coming in at number 4 is the Atrix HEPA Backpack Vacuum. At number 3, we have the ProTeam Super Coach Pro 10 Backpack Vacuum. This premium option is designed for professional-grade cleaning, with a focus on comfort and efficiency. Its FlexFit articulating harness is a standout feature, allowing the vacuum to adjust seamlessly to the motion of your shoulders, back, and hips. This reduces fatigue during long cleaning sessions, making it a preferred choice for commercial cleaning professionals. The open weave design of the harness also helps dissipate heat, keeping you cooler while you work. The ProTeam Super Coach Pro 10 boasts a triangular shape that conforms to your back, minimizing accidental bumps against walls and doorways. Its advanced filtration system captures microscopic dust particles, making it an excellent option for environments that require high air quality, such as schools, offices, and healthcare facilities, with a 10-quart capacity. This vacuum can handle large cleaning jobs without frequent bag changes. However, it's not cordless, so you'll need to plan your cleaning route around its corded setup. While the ProTeam lacks a published price in this review, its features and build quality suggest it's positioned in the higher price range. Pros include its ergonomic design, advanced filtration, and large capacity, while its cons are the lack of cordless functionality and potentially higher price compared to other models. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Hoover Commercial Shoulder Vac Pro Backpack Vacuum, model C2401. This vacuum is a powerhouse when it comes to portability and user comfort, thanks to its chiropractor-designed harness that reduces strain and fatigue. At just 9.2 pounds, this vacuum is lightweight enough for extended use, and its 48-foot extra-long cord allows you to clean large areas without switching outlets frequently. The HEPA media filter is a standout feature, trapping 99.97% of dirt, dust, and pollen down to 0.3 microns. This makes it an excellent choice for environments that demand cleaner air, such as hospitals or allergy-prone homes. The vacuum comes with essential attachments like a turbo floor tool, crevice tool, and dusting brush, adding versatility to its cleaning capabilities. However, it's worth mentioning that the vacuum can get warm after prolonged use, which might be uncomfortable in hotter climates. Priced at $329, this vacuum offers a great combination of power, comfort, and filtration. Pros include its HEPA filter, lightweight design, and long cord, while cons are the potential for overheating and its higher price point compared to basic models. Finally, at number 1, we have the Sanitaire EURSC 412B Quiet Clean Backpack Vacuum. This premium model is designed for the most demanding cleaning tasks, offering a powerful 8.5 amp motor and a CRI seal of approval for superior performance on both carpets and hard floors. Its 4-stage filtration system, including a HEPA filter, ensures that even the smallest particles are captured, making it perfect for environments requiring high air quality. The Sanitaire EURSC 412B is built with durability and efficiency in mind. Its lightweight design at 11.5 pounds, combined with a 50-foot cord, provides excellent maneuverability. The wide assortment of attachments, including a variety of nozzles and brushes, makes it versatile for different cleaning tasks. The noise level is impressively low, at just 69 dB, ensuring quieter operation compared to other models. This is a huge plus for settings like offices, schools, and healthcare facilities, where noise can be disruptive. Priced at $384.08, this vacuum is the most expensive on our list, but its high build quality, advanced filtration, and quiet operation make it worth the investment for professionals. Pros include its powerful motor, HEPA filtration, and low noise levels, while cons are its higher price and slightly heavier build compared to some competitors. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy cleaning.